Your point of view is your superpower. Here's how to use it to stand out. You ever feel like you're doing everything right? Working hard, showing up, being good at everything, but still feel invisible? Like people recognize your effort, but not your essence. You're not lazy. You're not ungrateful. You're just tired of being overlooked in rooms you've earned your way into. If that's you, you're in the right place. Because today, I want to show you why your POV, your point of view, is your superpower and how it can help you stand out, even if you doubt yourself. So many high-potential women feel this, especially in your 20s and 30s. You're doing the most, but something still feels off. Like you're muted in a world that rewards the loud, the polished, the popular. But here's the truth. You don't need to be louder to stand out. You need to be clearer. And clarity begins with your POV, not the version of you that's performing, not the version trying to prove, please, or play small, but the real you, the one with a perspective shaped by lived experience, not perfection. Your POV is more than an opinion. It's your power. It's your unfair advantage. Let's be honest. When you don't own your POV, here's what happens. You shrink in conversations. You second-guess your ideas. You play it safe, even when you have something powerful to say. But when you do own your point of view, you start being remembered. Opportunities find you. You stop mimicking others and start magnetizing the right people, work, and energy. So how do you find your POV? Here's a 3-step framework. 1. Identify what you believe that most people avoid saying. What's a truth you carry that others in your space ignore or downplay? That belief is often the key to your point of view. Don't dismiss it just because it's quiet. That's your compass. 2. Find the story that shaped that belief. Where did that conviction come from? A moment? A challenge? A pattern you've lived through? Your story doesn't make you less credible. It makes you relatable. It's the reason people will trust your voice. 3. Let that POV shape how you show up. If you truly believe that thing, how would you lead differently? Speak differently? In meetings, you might stop over-explaining. In content, you might stop copying trends and start trusting your truth. In your career, you might stop waiting for permission and start positioning yourself with clarity. This isn't about being loud or polished. It's about being aligned. Here's the shift. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You need to realign with yourself. When your inner clarity meets outer expression, you become magnetic. And yes, that takes practice, but it starts small. You don't need to build a personal brand overnight. You don't need to know all the answers. You just need to own one belief, with honesty. You're not behind. You're not too quiet. You're not too late. You're just stepping into your voice. And that takes courage, not perfection. Let your point of view be what you're known for, not just your resume or your titles. And if right now you're thinking, but I don't know if mine is clear yet, that's okay. Start with what feels honest, what feels real, what feels like you. You're allowed to want more without doing more. This isn't a hustle, it's a realignment. So breathe, reset, and remember, you don't need to perform to be powerful. You just need to be real. Take what you need, leave the rest. We reset here, together.
You walk like the world's on your shoulders, carrying dreams you don't say. You got the fire, but you're hiding, afraid you might get in your way. You've worn the mask to keep from breaking, kept your fears beneath your smile. But there's power in your shaking, in every step you fight the miles. You don't need to have it all planned. You just need to take a stand. Bring me your silence, bring me your storm. This is your moment.